Irfan, a 30 years old, working as a photo designer in Kajang, Selangor. A sweet and responsible husband, Irfan has been married for 3 years to his wife Afia.
Hi dear. Why are you calling me this evening? Later, I will go home too. Do you miss me?
Of course, my dear. But I need to talk to you about something right now.
What is it, dear? That you cannot wait for me at home?
Do you remember your promise 3 years ago after our wedding?
Romantic dinner every weekend?
No, it's about the car. Say, give me 3 years and I'll make sure you won't have to worry about transport anymore. It's been 3 years, my dear.
Oh yes, I remember. And I think it's time we made that happen, dear.
Yes, that's right. I've been waiting for it, darling. If we have a car now, I don't have to take public transport anymore. And you can send me to work every day, right?
Of course, you are my everything. Okay? Later, we will talk at home about this. I have a work to do right now. Okay, dear.
Okay, my dear. I will be waiting at home. Bye.
After their dinner together, Irfan and Afia are sitting together to talk about the car. Both scroll through car options. Multiple car projects are spread out.
Dear, what car are you interested?
Darling, take a look at this. Arus 7 Super. The monthly payment is not too high. It's spacious for our future kids, groceries, and your camera equipment. It's also comfortable if we are going to the
See, you are brilliant. But honestly, I think this is a smart choice. It's practical, stylish, affordable, plus it got an SUV vibe. It looks macho, very it.
Macho or not, as long as it gets me to school on time and doesn't have to leave me stranded at the MRT station or any bus stop.
Okay then, so we're going for ours. Now, how will we finance this one?
Let's not go for the conventional bag. I want something that's shall Uncle plug-in?
I was thinking the same. I read about my bag. Mobile benefit and finance. It is Islamic and based on the cost plus profit without any riba.
Oh, it seems good.
Yes, it will align with our value too.
Perfect. Let's make an appointment tomorrow, and I'm excited already.
The next evening, Malik and Aina arrived at the nearest Melbourne branch to begin their journey towards owning their first car together.
Assalamualaikum kepada Afia dan Encik Irfan. How can I assist you today?
Irfan was staring at the name of the bank officer. Suddenly, it reminded him of something. His heart skips a beat. In that moment, a memory from 9 years ago flashes across his mind like a WhatsApp notification he never knew. Irfan suddenly remembered that the bank officer is the one who rejected him before.
Are you alright? You look like you're so close.
Yes, I don't see good that I see the history right now.
By the way, we are here to apply for vehicle financing, the mobile vehicle term financing. We have already chosen the car, which is Cordua Arus.
Yes, excellent choice. Spacious, very efficient and reliable, especially for young families.
Exactly what I told you. For future deliveries, groceries, and photography.
Alright, Encik Irfan and Afia, before we begin the interview, let me briefly explain the concept behind the mobile vehicle financing. management, the prevailing overnight Islamic interbank money market rate on their outstanding balance. However, we encourage prompt payments to avoid discharge.
What happens if we facing difficulties when to make the payment?
If you anticipate any financial challenges, please contact us immediately. Early communication allows us to explore possible solutions together.
That is good.
Okay, now to proceed, I need a few things for both of you. Your salary slips for the last 3 months, latest EPF statement, copy of your ICs, copy of your driving license, 3 months paid statement, source details, the quotation from the car dealer.
Oh, don't worry, all ready. Level, sorted, and settled.
Okay, good. Then I will begin the processing and check your eligibility. But the process may take a little time, and the results for the financing application will not be obtained today because we need to get the approval from our head manager too. Once the financing is approved, I'll give you both a call. It usually takes around 3 to 5 working days depending on the completeness of the documents and internal approval.
Yes, Najwa. Okay, right now I will waiting for your colleague. I will never sleep until you call me for the agreement.
You're welcome. If we need any additional info, we will reach out. In the meantime, please make sure your phone is always reachable. Is there anything that I can assist you in Irfan and Bonafia?
I think that's all for now. Ms. Najwa, thank you so much. You've been very, very, very helpful.
After the couple went home, something tugged at Najwa's memory.
Could it be somebody from university? The one who...
Suddenly, she remembered. And just like that, the guilt from rejecting him so quickly back, then came rushing back.
I will do what I can. Yeah. I agree with Bahari Paper Financing High, application for MC Infant and Penapia. All documents are complete, the registry is clean, and the SR is within our acceptable limit.
Saya just take a look. Good employment history, stable income, joint household also above the minimum threshold. I see they also prepared 10% down payment. Very good.
Yes, miss. They have also obtained for the fixed monthly payment with a 9-year tenure. They are very committed and understand the funds clearly.
Okay, then let's proceed with the approval and documentation. Please inform them today. It will be nice to have young couples to start their journey with strong financial planning.
Will do, miss. They will be over the moon. Thank you, miss. Assalamualaikum, Cik Intan. This is Miss Najwa from Islam.
Waalaikumsalam, Miss Najwa. Yes. Any update?
Yes, I'm calling with great news. Your Murabaha Vehicle Financing application it has officially been approved.
Alhamdulillah, that is amazing news. Thank you so much.
You are most welcome. Both of you submitted complete documentation. Your credit card required to sign it, and your debt service ratio is well within our requirements. Plus, we were impressed with your 10% down payment. Everything is good.
That's such a relief to hear. My wife will be so happy when I tell her.
I'm sure she will be.
Okay, so what are the next steps?
Prepare the letter of offer for your review. You and Diana will need to come in to sign it, and we will go over the terms once again just to ensure full clarity before the disbursement. That's tomorrow afternoon work for both of you.
Yes, definitely. We will be there. Thank you so much again, Miss Najwa.
It's my pleasure, Jack. Right? Congratulations again both of you. I will see you tomorrow.
InsyaAllah. See you then. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Dear,
What is it?
I just got a call from Miss Najwa, my bank.
Oh, what did she say?
We got approved, dear. The Murabaha Verified Term Finance Islamic is official approved.
Are you serious? Alhamdulillah.
She told me our document were all complete. Our credit score was clean. Our DSR was with the race, and they were impressed with our down payment.
MashaAllah. I'm so relieved. We've been praying for this. I'm very proud of you, dear.
Me too.
So, what's next, my dear?
We are meeting them at the bank tomorrow afternoon to sign the letter agreement and go through the final term. Are you free, dear?
Of course. I wouldn't miss it for the world.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. I am Nur Alia Umairah binti Asri, and I would like to share my point of view from our recent simulation on vehicle financing. Starting with the script making, I learned how to organize the story to make it look more interesting and align with the title that we received in this roleplay. This bank simulation is an incredible journey process where I learned how the bank operates and understand the step of applying for a loan, from receiving the loan application, verifying document, conducting risk assessment, and to finally approving or rejecting the loan. Before this roleplay bank simulation, I had a basic of vehicle loan works, but this roleplay made it much clearer. For example, I learned how important for a bank to evaluate the applicant's income, credit history, and the vehicle value to minimize risk. Working in a group for this assessment presented some challenges for me, but it also taught me important lessons about collaboration and communication. Although we sometimes had difficulty coordinating and aligning our idea, this experience helped me understand the importance of patience and adaptability when working with others. To make this simulation even better, I suggest to allow students to choose or be assigned to a group where they feel they can work more effectively together. Overall, I enjoyed doing this roleplay, and it was a valuable experience that enhanced my knowledge of vehicle financing and my interpersonal skills. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. And thank you for listening, and thank you to Dr. Eza too.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Nisha Karmida binti Muhammad Hanafi, and I would like to share my experience in this roleplay bank simulation. Throughout this assignment, I have learned a lot about the real process of applying for financing from an Islamic bank. Now, I understand how important it is to explain financing terms clearly to the customers, especially in Sharia compliant products like Murabaha. This project also helped improve my communication and teamwork skills. Everyone in our group had different roles, so we had to plan carefully, discuss responsibilities, and practice together. It really taught me how important cooperation and clear communication are. Personally, I also gained more confidence in speaking and presenting. I had to think and act like a real bank officer, which was a new but interesting challenge for me. Overall, this was a good experience for me and I excited and enjoy learning in a more practical way. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name Muhammad Azwar Zikri bin Abdul Razak. My number metric is 1220878 from group KME2. In this roleplay project, I contribute as a narrator and also handle the video recording process for our group. As the narrator, I had connect each scene with smooth transition and gave the story more emotion and clarity. I also managed the recording process such as setting angles and handling audio. We faced a few challenges like background noise and timing issues, but we worked together to solve them. I gained hands-on experience in coordination and learned how to apply credit concept in real-life scenario, especially through murabahah financing. Overall, I'm proud of our teamwork and what we produce. Thank you to my group and our lecturer for this valuable experience.
Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Raudatul Afia binti Muhammad Ishaq. My metric number is 1220885. So today I would like to share about my personal reflection on our group project, where we created a video roleplay simulating a banking scenario. In our group, I took on 2 roles. I acted as the customer in the simulation and I also was responsible for editing the video. Playing the customer helped me better to understand the expectation and needs clients have when interacting with a bank. I had to think about what kind of question a real customer might ask and how to react naturally to the staff in different situations. It also reminded me how important it is for banks to provide clear, respectful and helpful services. Editing the video was another major part of my contribution. At first, it was a bit challenging because we had multiple clips, bloopers and moments where the audio wasn't perfect. But I learned a lot in the process, especially how to organize footage, at transition and keep the flow smooth so the final product look professional and easy to flow. It also taught me the importance of timing, clarity and teamwork because I had to make sure everyone was presented fairly and that the final video reflected our group's effort. Overall, the experience was both challenging and rewarding. We had to deal with some miscommunication and scheduling issues along the way, but we managed to work through it. And what I appreciated most was how everyone brought their own strength to the table. And in the end, we were able to create something we were all proud of. For me personally, it was a great opportunity to combine creativity with practical learning, and it definitely gave me a deeper appreciation for both customer service and media production.
Hello. Okay, I want to tell you guys, why we made this roleplay about the Islamic financial finance. That is why we need to know the difference of Islamic banking and the conventional banking. Okay. For Islamic banking, we do not use the term of riba or term of interest because we know the interest or riba is the haram method. That is why we make some profit. You will know the why we use the profit. Okay, the profit is we have to know we buy the item and we sell the item, and we sell the item higher than we buy. Example like you buy a prawn pisang is RM2 and you sell to anyone RM2 and 50 cents. That means the profit you will get is 50 cents. This is the same of the bank of Islamic banking. But for the conventional banking is they use term of interest that they do not give us the price of the product. They mean the interest is same like give the how you buy to us. We give you the final of loan, and we do and they give the interest. Example like 5%. They mean every 5% they give to us, give to them. They mean the bank will get 5% of riba. That's why we need to understand riba and profit. Okay? That's why as a student Islamic, we have to give all the knowledge to all the people to know the interest is not the healthy business because there is the riba. Okay, that is all for me. Bye bye.